Welcome back to the channel. I have a John Deere LA135 with a draw on the battery. Every about 3 days the battery goes dead. I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot it. I unconnected the positive and I put my meter in series. So as you can see, I'm going to touch the positive here. And it's drawing. If I put it back on, see it's drawing about 30 milliamps. So you can see in the drawing here, take off from the battery, goes to the starter solenoid and goes to the fuse. If I undo the fuse, it stops it, so I know it's the draws from these two wires. So one wire goes to the key switch, so I'm gonna unplug that. So just grab underneath here. Do it. My meter back on the positive, and as you can see it's still drawn, so it's this, anything below here it's all good, so it has to be over here. The other wire goes way over on this side, it goes to the voltage regulator. I'm going to replug my switch. So the voltage regulator, so I got the voltage regulator right here. This goes to the coil, so this one here is the only wire that comes in, the red wire, as the drawing says. I'm gonna unplug this. All right, unplugged it, I'm gonna go check. Yep, that's it, got nothing. So I got a bad voltage regulator. It's probably shorted to the ground, to the case. Put on ohms and put on the case. Yeah, she's about 19 ohms to the case. Shouldn't have anything. I have a spare one here, a brand new one. I'm gonna go on the case, negative, and check it here. So, infinite ohms. So I'm just going to put this on. So the circuit board must have shorted to the casing, so you'll get a bad regulator. So I'm going to change that. I'll cut your tie wrap off. So this bolt takes a 3/8 socket. So and just take it apart. That's it. The new one in. And I'm gonna put a tie wrap there, and that's it. The cable, hook the cable back up to your positive battery. All right, if you like this video, press thumbs up below. You can subscribe to my channel. Click below. Thank you for watching.